Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. Welcome to today's trade. Today it was a profit, and I was holding SPY. Like, if you remember the last video, I was holding SPY call and put debit spreads, that two calendar spreads, and I closed on positive because today's SPY had a deep dive into the red. SPY call calendar spread using $169, and similarly on the put side also I bought it like for $166. December 5th, what I did is like I closed the sell part of the calendar spread. Like, we have sell and buy, right? So the sell part I sold, bought it. So I bought it for $5 on the call side, and it was a 418 call. And similarly the put side also I bought it for 0.14 dollars. So actually this one increased to $174, and this one $180. Today I was able to close the call side first with an average price of $64. So I had a loss of around 100, or yeah, around 140 $116. I had a loss, but on the put side I sold it for 413. So all the 160 and all those losses was negated, and I was on profit. So that's why if you see here in today's profit, it's like $160. I am able to see $160 and around 39 percentage, and overall still we are on a loss. Yeah, there's a mistake. Like, I hold only the call option, but my strategy is to hold both. So that was a mistake. We can check like tomorrow what happens, and we'll proceed accordingly. Thank you.